Panic. So after panic, everything stopped, right? So today's our topic is panic in Golang. So hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So today we will learn how to use panic in Golang and what is use of it. So let's begin. So here we will see a Golang example of the panic. So for example, here package main is there, some imports are there, and a function main is there. So according to the panic documentation, the panic built-in function stops normal execution of the current Go routine. So whatever current Go routine is there, its execution immediately stop. Okay. So right now here func main is there. So it is a main, our Go routine is there. So it will stop. So when a function f call panic, normal execution of f stops immediately. So here we will see example, like for example, we are trying to create particular file os. So we use os package import, then os.create, and particular we have given the name. Okay. Now for example, this folders here does not exist or some error happened. Okay. Then it will go inside these things if error is not equal to nil. Okay. And then if this operation is failed, some error is there, then we want to stop our program. Okay, so we will apply here panic. So it will stop main function. So it will come here and stop immediately our main program. That is the main use case of the panic. So whenever you want to stop your program immediately, you have to use the panic to stop that particular main. Now here we will look in example by debugging and checking like how it is giving the error. So let's say here we want to execute these things. Okay, so right now this path is not exist. So what I will do, I will just debug that thing. Okay, so I started the debugging. Now if you look here, it will return the error. Okay, so now here error is like error path not found, path is not available particular. So it will give the error. So now I will go inside, it will print this message and then panic. Okay, so it went into the panic, fatal panic. Okay, now it will inside the panic is inside the Go installation runtime. Now it will stop after that particular execution is immediately stop. Okay, even like if you want to do the panic, like let's say before that you want to remove that, and like you want to add only panic stop program. Okay, so here now if we will run here. Okay, let's run this. So it will come here and immediately panic will call and it will stop our main execution of the program. So yeah, so that is the main use case of the panic in the Golang. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt, then write in the comment. So whenever I get time, I will reply you. And if you are new and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will give me a motivation to deliver you more backend development content. And don't forget to press on the bell icon. And yeah, I have also created the Golang quick reference book PDF file. So you can visit to the yourbackendbuddy.com. I have given link in the description also. So you can register your email and you will get your Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.